Yes, mate. I can't wait to see this. It's going to be quite interesting. Hey everyone.
Hi.
Hi, Mrs. B.
Hello.
6 hacks today. You've got 3?
I have chosen 3. I didn't know I was doing 3.
I've got 3 too. Hack number 1. I need to get this one out of the way if that's all right.
Yeah.
We don't know the hacks.
No.
Check this out. Box of Lego. First hack. We are going to make Lego chocolate.
Lego chocolate?
Well, not really at all. We need to build some Lego. Oh, by the way, we just literally washed this. Here's an overlay of an exciting washing up scene. So, with a bowl, some nuts and some chocolate chips. Mrs. B very kindly melted the chocolate in the microwave, and whilst you did that, I did the very grown-up step of washing and building some more Lego just in case. So, these are some whole hazelnuts. If you want to sprinkle them into the washed, prepared Lego base. And now, oh my gosh. This is like the new silicone mould, isn't it? There is something oddly awesome about that, particularly the square, how flush that is, isn't it?
It is. I'm really impressed with that. I think this is a really good idea.
It's quite fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the plan is we bung that in the fridge now, and at the end of the video we'll have Lego with extra Lego bumpy chocolates.
But if you were to do it without the bumpy bit on the bottom...
Baking parchment underneath was what we were supposed to do.
But it would just be plain. You wouldn't get any Lego effect on it at all, would you?
No, well that's not really the point.
Oh.
It's supposed to be a mould, but enhanced Lego-ness. Yes.
Hack number 2. Have you ever been in a situation where you're sat at the table eating fajitas and you say, oh, I really wish we had a lazy Susan?
The name of our neighbour. So like when you go to a restaurant, a Chinese restaurant, they have the spinny table where you can spin. Oh, that's fun.
Yeah. And how every time we sit at the table, you're like, oh, we really...
Yeah, actually, generally, we do have quite a lot of fajitas, don't we? And burritos and so... Well, the burritos are already made, but like...
So I'm going to show you how we can make one, but it's quite a small, simple one.
Right, just for one. That defeats the point of a lazy Susan, doesn't it?
Look, I'll show you.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea.
Right, so... I'm going to get everything we need. Close your eyes.
Yeah, close my eyes.
No.
What the heck are you... Why is it in the microwave? Oh!
So the video I watched, they used the thing out of the microwave, don't know what you call that, and they put a plate on.
Oh my gosh, that is absolutely genius.
I thought you'd love that.
That is amazing.
I haven't got...
Do you know what? Lego chocolate in the bin.
Would you like a cake?
No, hang on a sec. We could go bigger than this. Oh! Oh, that is so good.
Next time we have fajitas, we're going to put the salsa, cheese, rice, wraps, all like in little bowls, and you can...
We just need 8 microwaves. That was a really good hack. I love the fact that that worked and there's Lego chocolate set in at the same time. What a great start.
I love the fact that you loved it.
No, that was absolutely genius. Like, that's incredible. Like, life is complete. Anyhow, hack number 3, this is from me. Have you ever been in a situation where you want to de-stone a fruit, but the only thing you've got to hand is some sort of random tool you've got from the garage rather than a knife?
Yes.
Cha-ching! And I'm hungry for some nectarine. Right, so this person, right, there's a line, she has it facing her. I think that's a peach actually, but who cares? Sticks the prongs in, good old grip on it, twist and extract like a dentist. And then you can eat it like an apple. How cool is that?
That's cool.
Well, let's see if that actually does. I think this is going to be all right. Push it right down, all the way through if you can. You feeling like it's hitting a stone or anything? Or you're just kind of getting a bit of toughness? What's happening?
Oh, it's tough.
Yeah?
But I feel like...
I feel like my ripe ones. There we go. Now twist it.
I feel like I've got something.
Yes. Oh, it does sound a bit crunchy.
I feel like I'm just twisting the flesh.
Crikey, it's not something I've ever heard you say that before. And probably for good reason. Oh, crikey. Oh, that sounded like a bone crack. Oh my gosh, you're so close to my face. Keep going. What does Mrs. B do for a job? She's a dentist. Oh, wow.
Oh, you're so careful. You see what I mean though? You feel like you're just picking out bits of
yeah, there it is. Oh. Oh no, it's like the only thing surviving. But you could just go like this.
Yeah.
These are ripe nectarines as well. That's what we're after inside. That is the nugget you want to get rid of. We're going to eat around it though.
They always make it look so easy.
Oh, no! I forgot, I also bought peaches. Those were nectarines.
Ah, right. Well, they're peaches. Feel a lot softer.
Oh, do they? Okay.
Easy.
Oh, yeah, you can... Oh, so maybe it has to just... That, yeah. Go on. Just... Oh, it sounds good.
It had to be a peach.
Look at it. Yes, mate. That's amazing.
Nectarine. It had to be a peach.
What a stonker.
Look at that. That's
And now
cool.
you can just eat the peach. Do you want to eat that peach?
Yeah.
Just eat it like an apple.
That actually was easy. Well done.
We did a fist bump. We never fist bump. Yes. Hack number 4.
Have you ever been in a situation where you want a really easy way of cutting some really tiny carrot-like size matchsticks?
No.
Well, you might want them for some reason. Anyway.
For some reason. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Right, so.
We've done worse. If you can make carrot matchsticks from a whole carrot.
Right, so you got your carrot, okay? And you're just gonna cut down the carrot diagonally, indenting it a little bit.
So you're kind of like doing a Hasselback carrot.
Oh yeah. You're gonna stick a fork in the end.
Oh, right.
There you go. Right, and get your peeler. And you go. Look.
Ah, there we go. Wow, that's actually cool. It's like doing like
this
little...
isn't how it turned out on the video. What
Yeah,
have
but I
done
can
wrong?
see you're getting these little lines like that.
They made them look really thick on the video.
Oh, that's because the more into the carrot you go, the thicker these will be, right? I want to do it, but go nearly all the way through.
But I think it's to do with the peeler as well, because you're only going to peel off a thin bit, aren't you?
That is a very good point.
Wow.
But it has worked. I mean, you said, do I want carrot sticks? Or like matchstick shape, right?
Well, yeah, that's what the video...
Yeah.
The video lied to us again.
I thought we were on a fail with a nectarine. Peach saved the day. I don't think we can save the day here. Okay, this is my last one. And obviously we talked about Lazy Susan earlier.
Yeah.
Her great relative, anti-cut glove, might be needed here. I've just got a feeling, just in case.
Oh, God.
Just to protect our hands. Have you ever been in a situation where you have got a pineapple and you want to basically take it out of, you know, its skin, and you haven't got one of these pineapple gadgets, which are amazing?
Yes.
This is kind of scary, but at the same time, I think I don't know if it's going to work, right? Apparently, we can use a tin to hollow out the main part of a pineapple, okay?
Okay.
So I've picked 2 tins because this is actually, I love the irony of buying a tin of pineapple to open a pineapple.
Open pineapple, okay.
Yes. But my other thinking was like, oh, well, if this works, I bought some chocolate custard. So you could then serve your pineapple with some custard, right?
Yeah, like you're thinking.
So the first thing we need to do, which we'll just do off camera, is just empty these tins out. Oh, there we go. This is it, right? That goes in there, slice around the sides, and then that comes out and you push it, okay? Oh, then it jumped to the coconut one. Did you see that? We tried that.
Hang on. Do we need the other end off this can as well?
That was why I was going to use the anti-cut glove.
This one we can take off.
They're both quite blunt ends, aren't they? I'm going to try it without the cut glove. Remember, you've got that hollow core in the middle of a pineapple there. Oh!
Oh! It's working.
Yeah.
So now we just cut the sides off like this.
Yeah,
Oh, and it's
someone just rang me, sorry.
It's acting as
Hello? Yeah, my wife's just currently cut off a pineapple. Yeah, that's it.
Whoops. Oh, am I meant to do it like that?
Yeah, absolutely. Just take it all off. So you're quite close to the skin there. You can't really get much out of that anyway.
Right, so now what do we do? What did they do next?
Well, they didn't trim the bottom, but I think we might need to, and we can use the can to help with that.
Push it through?
No, I reckon.
Okay.
Look at that. We can use a nice cut like that.
Ah, I'm not quite strong.
Yes! Yes!
Ow. Oh, yeah, you got to be careful.
Oh.
Whoa!
Look
It's
at
like
that.
Another tin of pineapple.
Look, I wonder if that's how they do that in the shop.
But I guess now you can just slice it around the core.
Yes, you could. But we're going to save it for the thumbnail.
Oh, yeah. Hack number 6. Have you ever been in a situation where you've got your pan of vegetables, pasta, something boiling away, and the water boils over the edge of the saucepan because you've got it on too high?
Okay.
Yeah, so this hack is going to stop that from happening. Got some oil.
Oil?
Got a cloth.
What?
Okay. Right, I'm putting it onto the cloth.
Why?
Okay. Then I'm just going to run it.
Are you going around the edge of the pan?
Yeah.
So you're doing a layer of oil.
Oil.
Okay.
Correct. This is going to stop it from boiling over.
I can't wait to see this. It's going to be quite interesting. I wonder if it's like that is actually boiling away like crazy now, but the oil's doing its thing. We just will never know.
Yeah.
Unless we wait here for hours. There is very little sort of splashing around the sides, is there?
Yeah. I feel like it's holding it, keeping the water like in.
Yeah, it's like restricting it for sure. Like, I don't want to believe it. It's actually working.
I think it is.
What? That's bizarre. But that is actually legit. Like,
Yeah, normally by now you'd get surely like water, because it's quite high up, the water. I filled it quite high and the heat's on high.
I think we can say that's worked.
I think
like, I feel like that's been the case with quite a lot of the hacks today. They've been like, oh no, but, and then, ooh.
It worked. Maybe not the cat rat.
That hob, folks, is on the hottest heat. It's like the maximum flame, isn't it?
A watched pot never boils.
Yeah, but we have to watch this pot. That's the problem. That is crazy.
Another one that's I can.
Like, so you could do that, like, if you make like a bolognese sauce in a smaller pan and maybe it's coming to the top there. True story.
With your pasta.
Yeah.
Always happens with pasta with me.
Wow. That's actually blown my mind.
I wonder if it will work, because when you put a lid on it. Because you know when you put a lid on it, that's when it all boils.
Whoa, what's going to happen here? Imagine if the lid just goes but the sides still stay dry. Oh look, see?
Yeah, but normally.
That would be crazy.
But sometimes, like when you put the. Yeah.
Right, that is legit work, mate. A successful day of hacking, Mrs. B. What was your favourite?
Oh, the pineapple one was good with the tin.
It was good.
That was a good one that you found.
I liked how we pulled back the peach one out of nowhere when we used a peach rather than a nectarine.
And the lazy Susan with the microwave.
Oh no, I think that was my favourite. That was good.
That was good.
So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to consider subscribing to the channel. Check out the rest of the hacks video playlist here on the channel and many other playlists. Thank you for sending them in. There's actually a lot of success and fails on the previous hacks videos for sure. This is probably one of our most positive ones.
Yeah, definitely.
And of course, like we say, please keep them coming in. Oh, Lego chocolate. Oh my gosh, it's stuck.
Gonna have to get.
It's actually stuck. Oh dear. Maybe baking parchment was a good choice. Oh, yes. Oh my god, look at the bumps in it.
Let me see. Oh,
that's
cool.
Amazing.
I love that.
Oh, good. We've eaten quite a bit off camera though. Thank you to all the names on the screen right now that support us on Patreon. We have a Discord channel that's tentatively launching very, very soon for Patreon. Lots of behind the scene bits and bobs that I've got to try and understand, which will be really, really fun. So consider checking that out. And also down below is a random video or playlist link, possibly the hacks link, if you want to check out more videos. Ciao for now.
Bye.